Meditation is the journey from sound to silence, from movement to stillness, from limited identity to unlimited space. When the mind is quiet, it's ready for anything. It's open to everything.